Page 269, this is the reading exercise at the top of the page. Again, we're just reading music. Nothing new being presented, just reading music. See if you can sight read it. Include the pedal too. But I'm still going to use the process for learning a piece of music. I look it over, it's one line long, treble, bass, clef, one sharp in the key signature. It's ending on a G chord. I'm guessing we're in G majors. Do the scales and arpeggios for both though. G major and E minor. Just do it for the key signature. And 3/4 time. One hand at a time, and we got two voices going on here. I got to accommodate both, but I want to try and connect them as best I can. So it's here, 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, and they want to one here. If you don't want to be up in here, then you have to switch these two around this way. So in second measure, you need to use 1 and 5 here, so you can use 2 and 5 on the next one. And then 1 and 4. Here. So the tricky part there is in the 4th and 5th measure, or 3rd and 4th measure, and 5th, where you're going to here. I don't know how big your hands are. So if you can do it this way, or this way, whichever. Left hand, I can't connect these, but I'll do what I can. So it's 1 and 1. Both are coming up. I'm going to use 5-2 for the last two measures here, so I don't have to move as far. I don't want to use thumb on both. I could use thumb on the last one if I wanted to. I don't know. Then I put the hands together and see if it works. Here, that's the tricky one because of all the accidentals. You just work it out, and then here. Yeah. Now once I get that worked out, then I'll go back over and get rid of any hesitations. And then I add the articulation, and here you just got the phrasing between the 4th and 5th measure. I have to lift up, it's a repeated note, but like taking a breath. Both hands is fine. That's fine. And then the dynamics. Start out soft. This is the right hand now. That's the melody. This is very soft. Now go up a little bit. A little more. Now I'm moderately soft. There, so I went up to there, and then still moderately soft. Now go down and soft at the end. So I kind of plan out the crescendo and diminuendo so it lasts. You want to go here. You come back off. Yeah. The left hand just stays back out of the way. As far as the speed goes, flowing just means move it. Don't move it quickly, just move it. Then we add the pedal, of course. It's overlapping pedal. The notes first and then the pedal. I'm changing it with the harmony. After I play the notes, it overlaps here. But if I want to hear the phrase, I got to let the pedal up so I get silence. Like so. I don't care for that too much. I don't like this. Or this. Ugh. So I don't want to really pedal that part. But I do want to pedal to connect these notes. I need the pedal to help me out. So I'm going to complicate the pedal a little bit. I'm only going to pedal this long enough to connect the left hand, unless I have a dotted half note in the right hand. That's a longer held note. I don't want overtones on it. So I'm going to pedal those measures. But the other measures with quarter notes and dotted rhythms, I'm not pedaling the measure. But I am going to pedal the end of the measure to connect the measures together. Makes no sense. At the beginning, no pedal. Now I'm going to pedal and lift it right after I play the notes. Pedal. Now you can pedal this measure and this measure. And I'm going to lift it up for the phrase, but I'm not going to pedal here. Now pedal. Pedal. dotted half note measures in the right hand. I want the overtones, they're longer held notes. And then the others, I'm only pedaling long enough to connect this. Like the last beat or so, just to connect the chords. That's what I would suggest, because it keeps a nice clean melody, but yet you get the smoothness, the legato that you're after. Let's play it together slowly and just check notes and rhythms. I'm going to pedal it like I suggested. I think you can hear the notes well anyway, but we're going to go slow, and I'm not going to do the dynamics. I'll give us 3 counts. 1, ready, go.